you rebuy Twitter? I haven't yet. So this is where I'm at on Twitter, dude. So for my investing, I have $2,000 in money that I consider play money. So if I completely lose $2,000, I don't really care. It's fine. So I invested $2,000 into Twitter, and then via buying and selling, it's now $2,400, which is cool. Percentage-wise, 20% on your money in half a year is a really good rate of return, right? So I'm technically happy with the little bit of trading we've done so far. But in terms of actual dollar amounts, it's $400 that I earned, right? So do we really give a fuck? So I'm feeling the Twitter memes. So I guess I was tempted to buy 700 shares of Twitter at $18, but I feel like it's a bad idea because at that point we're getting into amounts of money that I don't think I would be comfortable losing. Twitter is trading at $18 a share right now. So it would be about 12.5K into Twitter. But I don't like I guess if it crashes, it's never going to go below like $10 or even $14 a share. So here's a big problem that you have to accept when you get into investing and gambling, right? Because what I'm doing right now is essentially gambling, right? This is what I'm doing right now. When you're bidding on a single stock like this, a single security, you're pretty much gambling, right? Which I completely accept. When people talk about how you can only gamble with the money that you're willing to lose, the reason for that isn't just because if you lose it you'll be fucked. It's because gambling or investing, riskily with an amount of money that you're not willing to lose will impact your ability to make good decisions. So with $2,000 in, I had $2,000 into Twitter, and I was down for a long time, but I didn't really give a fuck because it's $2,000, right? I bought at $19 a share. It went down to $14.50 a share, but it's $2,000. What am I going to do? Sell it and eat a $500 or $600 loss? I don't give a fuck, dude. It's fine. I'll wait. I say that I was confident that in the long term the security would pay off. It did eventually, right? I don't actually know that, right? I'm not a master fucking investor. I got lucky, I guess you could say. But it's $2,000. Now, let's say that I would have had $12,500, right? Well, now the picture looks a lot different because if I had bought 641 shares for $12,500, and then let's say that this would have dropped to, what did it get down to? $14 a share. Well, now I'm out almost $4,000 with another 9,000 on the line, and things start to look a little bit more scary at that point, right? Like, I don't know, well, maybe I would sell then at 14. Maybe I would be like, fuck, dude, I've lost $4,000, on just investing memes. This is retarded. I need to get out of here, right? And maybe you sell then at a loss instead of holding long-term like you plan to, right? Basically, the problem is when you gamble or invest with more money than you're willing to lose, it starts to impact your decision-making, and then you start making suboptimal decisions because you're investing or gambling out of fear and irrationality rather than calmness and objectivity, if that makes sense, I guess. So... yeah, I don't know. I thought about finding a middle ground. I would throw 5,000 in, and then with the gains I'd already made, that would be 7,400, which would give me about 411 shares of Twitter. Oh, but on the flip side, though, obviously, because there's always a flip side, let's say we do 12,500 into Twitter at $18 a share. That's 694 shares. Say that we have another repeat and it goes to $24 a share or whatever, right? And we managed to sell at the $24 mark. Well, now we've made $4,000, that's a decent chunk of change, to just make out of investing memes. We said it earlier in the stream, why gamble on Twitter instead of more interesting meme stocks like 10 companies and shit? Hold on.
Look, it's a big problem. All these Twitch chatters are coming into our chat. They don't know our memes, they aren't willing to integrate. They want to establish copy-pasta law, it's barbaric. We need our TBA to take back control and clean up our streets.
Oh, nice memes. The reason why I like to play invest in Twitter is because Twitter is a company that I say intimately familiar with. It's a service that I utilize a lot and that I see personal long-term potential in just because of its essentialness in different markets. But I say all that knowing that there could be other fundamentals that real investors look at that I could be totally fucking missing. But of all the meme things that I could possibly invest in, Twitter is easily the one that I have the most knowledge of. Now, saying that, my knowledge of Twitter is like, in terms of trading this as a security, is literally like a how would I even? Oh, I guess I don't really need a graph. I guess like the way that I would look at it is like, this is probably my knowledge of Twitter versus other securities. Would be like, if there was like a little iceberg, like I might know like about this much, but there's still all this shit that I am completely fucking lost in, which I fully accept. But having this little bit feels better. Whereas if I was going into like crazy biotechs or tech startups or crazy shit like that, like I would have no fucking idea like what any of this shit is, right? I don't even know.
Polecat is a faggot.
Did I lose a lot of money with Twitter? No, I made a lot. I made a good percentage return, but it's not a lot of money because because of memes. What did I say? Oh, because I don't have much invested in it. I only had 2,000 in before. Fuck fundamentals. Just use TA. And then you could meme yourself into thinking that it's like a win-win, because I could put 5,000 in now, and then I could say that like, well, the security could rise or the security could fall so much that the rumors start about potential buyers again. But would the price of this really go up again with more rumors? Holding Twitter at this price in case of a buyout or more rumors. Well, like, I don't know if I believe in rumors anymore. Like, do you really think more rumors will happen? Or will the market response to more rumors be the same? I'm not sure. I'm also not sure if I should wait for another one of these cliffs to happen. Because we had how many days of trading? 1 day, 2 days. So after 2 days of trading, it came crashing down again. Tomorrow will be the second day. We'll see if it drops again, or maybe it'll hold steady at 18. It dipped a little bit below 17 before. 18 is about what it was trading at before all of the rumors, though, hyped it up. So this might be the stable price. Maybe it's not going to go back down to that 1660 or whatever. If you want to do that, why not just sell some puts? I really don't know fuck all about options trading. I mean, I understand all the concepts, but I don't know. That leverage, though. That upside. Here is my question for you. What are you looking for with this move? Are you doing it because you like to gamble and the emotion it gives you for fun? Or are you looking to make more money? How much do you expect to make? If it doubles, it means you would make 18 more K, right? Personally, what bothers me is that you are doing fine and you are taking this risk, and it doesn't seem like something a responsible person... Well, it's play money, so the trading is fun. I mean, like, I guess it's fun for me. And then the option to make a lot more money is fun. I don't know. Why not buy 2,000 now? If it drops, going heavy. If it doesn't, be happy. I would buy a car personally. Buy a car but a car is another liability. What the fuck? If I buy a car, that means I've got insurance to pay, more gas. Why would I do that? I don't need a car right now. What the fuck? I guess I could buy a car for $12,000. Oh, I don't know. I don't care. Fuck this shit. Alright, never mind. We're not doing this. This money is just going to go into my investment account. I'll just play with the 2,400 that I still had